You know, you didn't have to walk with me to home. Well, I had to protect you. You honestly don't have to protect me, Mike. I'm fine on my own. I'm pretty sure you're not. Okay, you ready? Did you put this sharp object in the bushes? In case if we need it? Of course I did. What do I do with the hammer? I told you, you knock out Mike. And I kill Winter. Boom. Oh, okay. Let's do this. Yes, let's do this. Well, guess what? Me and Chris are going out, so I'm not going out with Jay anymore. He was just such a jerk to me. Oh my god, that's such good news, Winter. I'm glad you chose a better guy than Jay. Yeah, I'm glad I did. Well, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Not so fast.
What the hell? Oh my god, Mike! Crap, we let her escape.
Come back, princess.
I need something to protect myself. What's that? I'll use this. I need to hide.
Where are you, princess? Come out, wherever you are. Where are you? You need to come out now. I need to kill you. I've been told to by my master.
Huh? You... Stop me. I'm sorry. Jane! Jane! Come on, Jane, wake up. Jane, wake up. No, you can't die. It's too soon for you to die. Jane, I love you. You killed her. You killed her. You'll pay for this. I'm sorry. I had no other choice.
You can understand that, right?
I loved her. I truly loved her. You killed her. I didn't want this to happen. I never wanted this to happen. I was going to confess to her on this night when we were going to kill you. You'll pay for this, Winter. You'll pay for this. You killed me. You... Are you okay? I'm fine. You're back. Yeah, I'm back. I'm not really supposed to go out, but I decided to. Glad I came into the right time, or you would be dead by now. What the hell just happened? Killing? That's what happened? You're supposed to protect Winter. What happened? Alex, I was knocked out and you're back? Yeah, I'm back. Anyway, Winter, come here. Okay. Why do I need to come here? What the hell, Alex? I feel sorry, Winter, but I was told to do this by her. I will explain this later, Mike. You better do, because I want to know why you bit her. She's losing blood. I know, I can see that. We need to take her to the hospital. As fast as we can. Yeah. I know that.